So I like to straighten my hair, but I always feel like when I put it in between those plates, it gets so flat. I lose all of the volume. And you know what? I also feel like it damages my ends to the point where it's almost doing more harm than good for me to straighten it.
Right.
And I have a curl pattern and I have frizz. I have to do something.
Right. So I think you are going to absolutely love the Triangl because it's different. We're going to straighten, but what's happening, your hair is gliding through these ionic tourmaline plates, so it's not the clamping. And you can get right to that root and lift it. So you're not flattening. You know, when you put it between two plates, you flatten the cuticle.
Yeah.
And then you straighten it too. So instead of flattening the cuticle, you're just smoothing and straightening. All right, so when I do straighten, I do like to section, so we can get it done evenly. Also, we can get right into the root, right? I have it on the next to the highest, 410, okay? Because you said you like to go high.
I do.
I don't think you need all that heat, so we're just gonna go with the second to the highest. But the best part is I can go right into that scalp, give it a little tension, and then come out. And what's so nice is I can go completely straight on the ends if you want, but I can also just bevel that in a little bit. So we have straight, and we have a little bend under. Smooth.
Wow. In one pass.
Yeah.
That's crazy.
So you're gonna give it a try.
Okay. I feel like it can hold a lot of hair.
Yeah. It's got a nice extra size barrel. And I love that you're doing it nice and slow because that's what really, smooths it all out. Just keep it in those teeth. One pass.
Oh, wow. So normally when I use my straightener, I feel like I cannot get my roots in the back and I always end up with a line.
Yeah, the creasing.
Yes.
So you see how you can go right into the root.
Yeah.
That's perfect. And then there is no clamp, so you're not going to get any creasing of any kind. It's like brushing your hair instead of like plating it. And it's great. You're taking a nice section and good size section. It's not bigger than the. Ooh.
Oh, wow.
And there is no creasing.
No. So what if I did want a little bit of curl? Like even just at the end.
Okay, great. So as you're straightening, smoothing it, right? At the end, before you get to the last couple of inches, you're going to go ahead and spin this like around, like a full entire spin all the way around. Keep spinning. There you go.
Oh, wow.
There you go.
That was so easy.
Right. Okay, so you've seen how to straighten it, and then you curl the end.
Yeah.
But I'm going to show you can wave with this too.
Oh,
Yeah,
all right.
All right. So you can, wave at the same time so you can go right into that root and smooth it. I like to comb it through first just to make sure, there's no knotting while we're twisting.
Okay.
So when you go in, you make a full circle, right?
Okay.
And then you come under.
Oh.
And then you make a full circle. And you just come under, make a full circle.
That is so easy.
And then I like to let it cool
Wow.
for just a sec, let it cool.
Sure.
And then once it's cooled down and you come through it, it becomes a really pretty relaxed
That
wave.
is so nice. Okay.
Yeah, so I do love that you brush through it. That'll get any of the knotting out, especially when you're twisting. Brush through first.
Okay.
And then all you're gonna do is spin it. Like a full circle and just come down. Great. Wow. Okay, girl. There
Wow.
you go. Good job.
Thank you.
Oh, look at that pretty
Oh,
wave.
it's such a nice wave. I feel like it's not so curly. It's really like a lived-in wave.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay, so whenever I try to do my bangs, especially with my flat iron, I feel like I just end up with like a stick straight piece that just like hangs by the side of my face. I really want that sweeping, like swoop of my bang.
Well, you're already doing it. See how you're just the motion?
Yeah.
So just do what it is you want it to do and it's going to do it. So just take your bang section and you can go right to the root so you can kind of get rid of that calic a little bit that's there. Yeah, you can smooth that out some. But whatever it is you like it to do. Exactly. Like I like how you're kind of coming back. There's a little lift you're creating right there. And now again, go nice and slow just so it smooths at the same time while you're directing it. Because basically right now you're directing this bang area to go back off your face. You can curl the end or there you go.
Wow.
Whoa. Like
that was
perfect
so
sweep
easy.
with the wave on the end. You're like a pro with it now.
Once you get the hang of it, it is pretty easy.
I'm gonna run my fingers through these waves. And your cute little bang that's flipped over.
Oh my gosh.
Wow.
That is so nice.
It's amazing that you straightened it.
Yeah.
You know, like it's
Took all the frizz out.
Took the frizz out and put this really casual wave in.
And I still
like
have body.
Yeah. Right.
Oh my gosh.
Love
I love
it.
it.
Show this back a little bit. It's so pretty. And it was easy for you to get to the back.
Yeah. And no clamping. I don't have to worry about a little like weird line from the side of the straightener.
Nothing at all.